How to block someone on Reddit. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that you need to install Reddit app in your phone. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. So simply click on Reddit. Once we click here you guys will see that type of interface. So for example, I want to block someone on chat. So I don't have someone in my inbox or chats. For that I will simply go to community just to show you. For example, I have that user like silver low, so I'll simply click on that profile. Once I click on that, here I need to wait for some seconds. Here you guys can see on top right corner three dots, so simply click on that. Once we click on that, here you guys will see block, so I will simply click on block, and after that I will simply click on block account. And once I do that, that user will be blocked. Also in chats, how you guys can block someone, so for that I will simply go to that chat. I will show you how you guys can block someone in chat if you are seeing in chat. So here you guys can see feed chat. So I will simply click on chat. Now I will simply click here. Here you guys can see a lot of people. So for example, I want to block that guy. So I will simply tap on their profile. And here you guys can see send message block account. So I will simply click on block account. And once I do that, that user will be blocked. Thanks for watching.